Good morning ritual will prepare you for every day by removing the excess baggage in the form of worries, anxiety, and stress. It will align you with your goals and get you on the right train, and also supply you with enough energy and focus to not only get you through the day but also get closer to your personal goals and dreams. Meditating every morning can bring you happiness and peace of mind, sharpen your focus and memory, and improve your decision making. You can start by simply sitting down, relaxing, and focusing on your breathing, or a simple mantra. Keep your head clear and let thoughts and worries float past you. Don't push them away with force, but also don't dwell on them. Visualizing your successful future every morning will train your brain to focus on getting you to succeed and eventually have the life that you visualized. This works by reminding yourself daily of your goal and making sure you make all decisions with this goal in mind. Find some time every morning to work on your own personal goals. This can be the most effective in the hours in the morning, so use the time to work on yourself. You may not be able to find a lot of time, but consistent targeted progress will quickly build up to massive results. Every morning, make your bed, not like a perfectionist, but somewhat neat and tidy. This habit makes a symbolic statement that you are now working on becoming the best version of yourself, which pushes your brain into a different pattern of thinking. Take some time every morning to read non-fiction books to either further your expertise or broaden your skills and knowledge by reading all kinds of related topics. The knowledge you gain over the years will give you massive advantage that multiplies your success. Every evening, prepare for the coming day by writing your to-do list. Focus on 3 to 6 important tasks that need to be done, and leave some time to attend everything else that might come up after the main task. This saves you energy in the morning that you can use by working on your important tasks instead. It also gives you the comfort of already knowing what you will accomplish today and what you have to do to get there. Working out in the morning wakes you up twice as well as coffee does and provides you with enough energy to power through the day. Pick a simple at-home workout plan that is both fun and challenging to make the exercise something you look forward to. Happiness is something you have to create for yourself in the present. It's a way of living life. Finally, schedule some time every morning to do something simply because you love doing it and fully focus on it.